I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 wrenches in my top drawer. All right, so this is the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. So we're going to be quiet and let them talk, and then we'll come back and comment on it.
Small cars are a lot safer than they were just a few years ago, but that doesn't mean they offer the same level of protection as larger ones.
There goes
You
your
can't
legs.
compare
You're
a-
not walking again. Sorry, man.
What do you say?
Yeah, you're not walking again.
You're not living again.
Oh,
All right, here we go.
But as you can see, against the larger and heavier Camry, the occupant compartment basically collapsed. We have buckles in the roof here and here.
yeah. That was death. Yeah. My
Yeah,
God,
when-
you said that dumb. I mean, the dummy exited the vehicle.
Yeah.
I mean, and the head of the dummy hit the hood of the opposing larger vehicle.
You can't repeal the laws of physics. Large, heavier cars still provide better occupant protection in a crash than smaller.
Oh my God.
Dude.
Oh my God.
God.
I want to see that again. I want to see that again.
Man.
Let's watch it again.
Still provide better occupant protection in a crash than smaller.
And it's probably hitting other cars. It hitting other people. It probably. I mean, if they're like coming in opposing lanes,
Small
you're
cars
throwing that vehicle. Let's assume it's a 4-lane road. You're throwing it into another lane. It's probably get hit again and again.
Oh yeah, that's a good point.
Yeah.
It's a shame.
Oh my God.
One of
That's
the
rough,
things,
man. I don't even want to drive one of those.
bro, you shouldn't
I
even
wanna
be
be
a passenger
those.
in one of those.
No, not getting in. I'll walk.
And
I'll take an Uber. I'll get the Uber XL, man.
now look, I know we're laughing at everything at small cars, but if you own a small car, I'm not trying to troll you. I swear. I have trolled people in the past, but I'm not trying to do that today. I'm trying to really just give you the facts here. These small cars, if you get in an accident, which you might, which we'll talk about later in the slideshow, oh man, they're just not good. So yeah, I think we see the point there.